Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to lock your Android phone remotely. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also lock your phone remotely, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your settings. Then little bit scroll down. Open Google. In this you can see here Google services, then select all services. Here you little bit scroll down, you can see theft protection. Open this option. Here little bit scroll down, you can see here remotely secure device, remote lock. Then open this option. If your device is stolen, you can lock its screen with just a phone number at. Go to this website android.com/lock, then enter your number. That's it guys, so in this you remotely lock your Android phone. Thanks for watching friends, hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.